How much should pop-up drink stands budget for vehicle maintenance? Pop-up drink stands should budget around 10 to 15% of their vehicle's value annually for maintenance to keep their vehicles running smoothly. Vehicles used by pop-up drink stands need regular maintenance to avoid breakdowns that can disrupt business. Maintenance includes oil changes, tire rotations, brake checks, and engine tune-ups. For example, oil changes are needed every 3,000 to 5,000 miles to keep the engine lubricated and prevent damage. Tires must be rotated to wear evenly, which extends their life and improves safety. Brake systems should be checked regularly because worn brakes can be dangerous and costly to fix if ignored. Engine tune-ups help the vehicle run efficiently, saving fuel and preventing bigger problems. An interesting fact is that many small business owners underestimate maintenance costs because they only think about repairs after a breakdown instead of regular preventive care, which actually saves money in the long run. Budgeting around 10 to 15% of the vehicle's value each year gives some cushion for unexpected repairs or parts replacement. A common mistake is waiting too long between services because the vehicle seems fine, but this often leads to more expensive repairs. Another misconception is that only older vehicles need maintenance, but even newer vehicles require regular checkups to stay in good condition. Some people also forget to include costs for unexpected repairs like flat tires or battery replacements in their budget. A helpful tip is to keep a maintenance log with dates and work done to track when the next service is due and avoid missing important checks. Also, comparing prices from different mechanics can save money without sacrificing quality. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, Jobbit Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts or contractors reach out and offer their estimates.